How to make money with OfferVault CPA marketing platform. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you how to make money with OfferVault step by step. I'll explain for people who don't know what OfferVault is and how to use it. Also understanding how OfferVault simplifies the process of uh, searching for affiliate offers by centralizing them in one platform. OfferVault is an affiliate marketing tool that can help you find affiliates and cost per action, CPA offers. That's what I mean. And it's a search engine that scouts over plus 16 networks, and also it's a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for ad campaign that they can promote. Come guys, let's take a look at the website to understand more. So here we have the website offervault.com. You'll have here on the top of the website login, register, and distributing, advertise, and added your network. It's for added offers on OfferVault. All that you need is to fill out first name, last name, network URL and email, and confirm password, and also password. It's password is before the confirm password. Then we have the Skype if you have it, and also the phone. So here we have a help if you have comments or something to say. And also we have here free training. It's led you to YouTube channel of OfferVault. So this homepage, as you see, there is a lot of offers, and um, there the commission you'll get for each sale. And here we have the countries, the offer, if the offer is targeted to a specific country, and finally the network providing this offer. So you'll have here a search bar if you want to search for a specific product or network, and besides you can specify the results obtained through the filters that mean identify the offers from a specific network, for example here, or a specific one in categories. And you can select the country to know if the offer is working in your country or not. For example, I will select the first one, United States. As you can see, the offers will appear. Now moving to how to sign up on the website. So you'll click here on register, located at the top of homepage, as I mentioned before. So here we have a lot of details. So you'll here fill out these fields: your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and then you confirm your password, and then you select your country. And if you have Skype account, you will write it here. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can submit without it. So returning to the offers, precisely choose the offer you wanna promote. To more understand, for example, I'll choose a category. For example, I will choose accessories. So every single offer here is full of information for you to like to access, that help you to select or evaluate to the one suits you more. So here, as you see, the networks will ask you to sign in. You're not exactly signing OfferVault. You're just signing to this particular network over here, which then allows you to do the job. Just to let you know that when someone completes a specific cost per action, like for example submitting an email, phone number, When someone completes using your link or your page or coming from your traffic, you'll then end up making money. That's how basically CPA marketing works. Now, aside of that, there is also those stuff related to offers. So we have here affiliate networks and pay per call offers and mobile offers. Also, traffic sources distinct is related to offer. For example, here we have the name of the offer, types, mobile, and the targeting. For example, if it's retargeting or not, and self-serve, the same thing if it's self-serve or not. And here we have URL. So let's click this one, the first one. As you can see, we select the category of accessories. So let's click this one, the first one. As you can see, we have here the title, I mean the name of product, and also offer details. We have here offer name and payout, and also preview. We have here the landing page. Just you can click over here and have the landing page of the product, and we have here the categories and network, and also the last update, and the country as you can see is not mentioned. So returning to the landing page, we'll click on it, and this is the landing page that we have here. And then if you want to run offer, you can just select here and have this page, and then you need to sign up and fill out all this, for example, name and login, and also email and password, and you confirm your password and Skype if you have it, and Telegram if you have it, and you will here say if you agree to the term and conditions, then you sign up. But how do we attract the largest number of customers? The way you present the product is what attracts your customers. For example, if you have important number of followers in social media, that will help you to reaching out to your customers. And if you don't have that, you can just use Google Ads campaign marketing using Pinterest for finding the pictures of product, and for example ChatGPT to describe your product. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.